In today's video, you will learn how to make a juice with papaya, orange, and plum to alleviate constipation. Trouble and pain evacuating? Do you have these symptoms? Common in constipated people, these are the classical signals that something is wrong with your body. Many times it is due to a diet lacking in fiber or a trip. But besides that, constipation also happens because of stress, pregnancy, hypothyroidism, colon cancer, multiple sclerosis, and excess heavy medicines. The first symptom is trouble defecating, but others are vomiting, abdominal pain, bloating, and loss of appetite. Do you suffer from constipation? It certainly happened to you at some point in your life, usually during trips, periods of stress, and the main reason of all, although very few pay attention to it, the lack of fiber in daily life. So a laxative juice is a good way of preventing constipation naturally and ensure your intestine is working as it should. This juice is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It also contains high levels of water, which helps maintain our body well hydrated. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 papaya, no seeds. Papaya is rich in water and fiber that, together with the bioactive compounds of this fruit, improve the pH of the intestine, contributing to a good intestinal function. 1/2 glass of orange juice. The fruit is rich in fiber and water that hydrate the intestine and stools, contributing to good digestion and evacuation. 4 plums, pitted. Plums are rich in fiber, which helps with intestinal transit and offer phosphorus, potassium, and B-complex vitamins to the body. How to make it? Combine everything in a blender and drink right away. It is best to drink it at breakfast or before sleeping. Did you know this recipe to end constipation? You can drink this juice every day. Even babies and children can drink it, although in lesser quantities to avoid diarrhea. Talk to a pediatrician before. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.